guys, my name is Tina and today I'm going to talk to you about hair extensions, specifically the one I'm wearing. So I'm very excited to talk about this because I have been using hair extensions for the longest time. If you have been following me on Instagram, you might notice that my hair is always short, long, short, long, short, long, short, long. It's because I've been using hair extensions for 5 years already. So I'm very happy that a brand called Irresistible Me noticed me and offered me and my viewers 20% off on their first purchase, so don't forget to click the link below. So I'm just going to review to you guys the Irresistible Me hair extension. So I have it on right now. My hair is blonde. It fits perfectly with my hair, but as you can see, it's a bit more yellowish, the extensions, and then my hair is a bit greeny because I dyed it back to blonde from purple and green, so that's why I still have the greenish hue going on there, but it's okay because it kind of looks parang ashy lang. So it works fine. I actually filmed this before, but I decided I wanted to refilm it again. That's why it took me this long to create a video about my hair extensions, because I was blonde and then I dyed it to blue and then it faded to green and purple because I was in Bali. So when I got home and I got the hair extensions, I turned it on and it looked great. So I had this green, pink, blonde going on my Instagram for a while, and then now I dyed my hair back to blonde, so now it's perfect. Looks perfect. So Irresistible Me reached out to me and offered me my hair extensions. Of course I said yes. I've been buying hair extensions and I keep repurchasing it because it always just lagi siya naglalagas. Like every year maybe I end up with like a bald hair extensions, so I have to keep buying and keep buying. So Irresistible Me, you can look them up online. They have different hair colors, different lengths, different weight on how thick you want your hair to be. For example, this is the thickest that they have. This is 200 grams of hair. It's platinum blonde. This is not the longest. I think this is only 22 inches. The longest that they have, I believe, is 24. It's not really the... Wow, I'm like casually touching my boobs. So I'm just showing you the length. It's until my boobay. But I think for other people, this might look longer because I'm actually like a bigger girl. I'm taller. So...
I'm so obsessed with it. Like, you guys have no idea.
Anyways, so this is 22 inches. It's 200 grams. It comes with 2 single clips, 5 double clips. I'm only showing you 3 because the other 2 is in storage because I don't use it because it's actually too much. Which is quite ironic because I actually buy 2 sets when I buy it locally because it's not enough. And then here, it's too much, which is always great. Anyway, so and there's also 2 triple clips and 1 huge like quadruple clip hair. So it's really nice kasi sobrang thick niya, girl. As in, like, when you look at it alone, it doesn't look much. But when it's all together in your head, it's so natural looking. It doesn't look like I'm wearing extensions. Even when I had the green hair on, people thought that my hair was really this long and to think my hair was already green, purple, and blonde. But they all thought it was all real. Ang nauuso kasi sa Pilipinas is yung isahan lang, tapos makapal na. So the thing about having just 1 clip and like having it thick already is you can't distribute it. The beauty about having multiple clips like the Irresistible Me hair has is that you can distribute it all around your head and it can fade better with the length of your hair. Like this is my original hair length. So pag mas marami kasi yung partition niya, it can hide the short hair better. Instead of just having 1 whole clip, edi makikita niya kaagad yung short, long, tas short agad. You know what I'm saying? So if you have multiple clips and then ihati mo siyang ganon, mas seamless yung kanyang effect. So that's what actually all the celebrities here in the Philippines do. Actually, ako, the reason why I always repurchase my hair extensions is because I cannot live without them. Lalo na in my line of work where I model and I act and I do beauty videos, having thicker hair just looks better on me because I have super thin hair. I have very fine, thin hair. I do need the extra volume. I do need the extra length because my hair just stays on this length because I keep dyeing my hair, okay? That's the problem. I keep dyeing my hair, so it just keeps getting damaged. So I always keep cutting it so it just stays in this length, so I can't seem to grow it out. So hair extensions works best for me because I don't have to wait for it to grow. I can just put it on and have long hair. The other days that I don't feel like having long hair, I can stick it out and then I'll have short hair. So that's why I love having hair extensions. It's because it depends on your mood, what you want to look like, you know. And also just thicker hair is just so much better, honestly. I'm so envious with people who have thick hair. So by the way, if you are wondering, Ate, I'm not blonde. Girl, they have different hair colors there if you look at the website. I will also post a link down in the description box for you guys to find your own hair shade. One of the things that people worry about is that they don't know what shade they have in their hair. Kasi guys,
aminin nyo, madalas natin nakikita black ang buhok pero ang extensions brown. Aminin nyo, napaka-common yan sa Pilipinas. Aminin mo.
so para hindi kayo maguluhan, Irresistible Me has made it easier for you guys to find your shade because they have a video guide that will help you find your shade because they have it side by side by side by side. So you just pick a color, you pick your length, you pick your weight. Basically, that's it pretty much. And if you guys want one for yourself, please don't forget to click the link down in my description box because that will lead you to a 20% off on your first purchase. So this costed about $200. Alam ko, isipin nyo,
Oh my God, ang mahal.
pero guys, sa totoo lang, when I buy my extensions locally, it's about the same price, but it's much thinner. So for me, if you are going to invest on a hair extensions, might as well invest it on something that is thicker and much longer. Normally, sa 10,000 ko, 2 sets ang nabibili ko. And it's still thinner. For me, I don't know, mas madali kasi yung isahan na lang kaysa yung ang dami mo pang bibilin.
Oh my gosh, nagwawala yung mga pinggan sa baba.
Oh nga pala, before I forget, in case you guys will ask, it is real hair. You can dye it, you can curl it. I already straightened this and I've already curled it before and nothing really changed. It's still shiny. It's still good quality. Buong buo pa rin. Hindi pa rin naglalagas. Kasi minsan, bibili natin medyo mahal na din pero fake naman. So you can't really do much about it. Like this, you can pretty much do whatever you want to it. It is 100% Remy human hair. You can buy different types of hair extensions in their website. They have hair tape. They also have different lace wigs. They also sell different hair tools and hair care products. So just visit them online and see what you want to buy. But just don't forget to use the link down below para hindi sayang 20% off. I also want to mention that Irresistible Me is based in America. So yes, you do have to ship it here. But shipping was very fast. It arrived to me like a week or so. Pero natagalan lang dahil sa post office natin dito sa Maynila. Yun lang yun. Anna was very nice to me. So thank you for being so patient, Anna. Because this video took a long time to finish. I've just been using this a lot lately. And I'm so sad for when I go dark again. And I can't, well, I'll probably just dye it. Also, I want to quickly mention na yung strands niya, sa upper half is thicker. And then the lower half like thins out. So parang hindi siya full strands of hair. It offers more volume. And on the tip, parang hindi siya din masyadong heavy. Because I can use this all day without having my neck hurt. Because on my past experience with extensions, when they put this much on me, after a few hours, my neck kind of like hurts already. So I think the amount of hair that they put on, tansyado naman nila. Siguro that's why mas komportable siya sa akin. After using it for a while, parang hindi siya makati sa ulo. Kasi, ewan ko ha, doon sa dati ko, nangangati talaga ulo ko. So I don't know why. I also like the fact that they have extra clips. Kung kailangan yung magdagdag or magtanggal or may natanggal na wala, you can always replace it back. Comes in this bag that you can pretty much reuse. It's parang siyang lock and lock. Ito yung ano niya, packaging niya. Napakaliit lang. Actually, ito lang siya kaliit nung dumating. Medyo nag-worry ako na parang makapal ba talaga to? Pero nung pag ganun ko, boom! Kapal, girl. Napakakapal. I'm so in love. So this is my before and after without and with hair extensions. It just looks so much better. Honestly, it's thinning. It's actually slimming too to have thicker hair kasi parang the more volume you have around your face, the smaller your face looks. So for me, being a plus size model, plus size girl, this just really helps, you know. If you want your own, don't forget to check their website. Check all the deals that they have there. Check everything that you need to buy para pag ship nyo, isahan na lang. Don't forget to use the link in the description box to get 20% off your first purchase. Sayang yung 20% off. Parang nalibre na rin yung shipping mo dun, diba? So that is it. If you guys have any more questions regarding my hair extensions, or if you guys want to see on how I maintain and wash and dry my hair extensions, I'll make another video. Just comment down below and I'll do it. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe and pass this on to people who you know are interested in hair extensions. Also, if you're a hairstylist, it's great to invest on good quality hair extensions. So definitely check them out. So I don't have anything else to say, and with all that said, I want you guys to know. Oh wait lang, Kika of the day is right here. Congratulations, you're today's shout out. If you want to be the next video shout out, just comment down below hashtag Kika of the day, and I will pick you for the next one. If you want to see more of my videos, please don't forget to click the post notification button so you will be aware when I upload more videos. So that is pretty much it, and with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful and irresistible.